Here we have a Fox baling machine. We got it hooked up to 460 volt 3-phase power. And we're gonna turn it on here and show you that it works. It's got a lock for the door that you can open up, and we'll just show you the inside real quick. That's the compacting compartment right there. Lock it in like that. Once it's locked in, you do have to lower the door for safety reasons. Okay, and you'll be able to see the plate traveling downward. So that's the downward position. You kind of see how far down it is, and I'll open it up just so you can see how far down it goes. Okay. Go ahead and close it up here so we can go up. Okay, that is the Fox baling machine.